with this cutting method. Split directly at 1/3 of the stump with a knife. Then the branch is to be cut diagonally on both sides. Plug it in the split place, wrap tightly in black plastic film, the second uncle said. Using this method, the cutting will be successful in about a month. Tie the bottom of the tree with a thin cotton rope. Tie a small stone to the other end. Put it in the bucket. The water in the bucket will slowly follow the cotton rope, penetrate into the base of the tree, to provide the saplings with a steady stream of water. This is very good for drought prevention in summer. Cut out the long strips on both sides with a knife. Cut out the middle excess. Insert the prepared, grafted branch. The smaller the gap, the better. Wrap it in plastic film. Spring and autumn use this socket method. The survival rate is over 95%. After survival, the graft healed perfectly. Look. First, cut off part of the potato with scissors. Cut a section. The branches that need to be cut are inserted directly into the potatoes, slowly into the dug pit. Then fill it with soft nutrient soil. Keep the land moist. Seedling grafting is so simple. First, cut a branch with grafting scissors. Cut a gap on one side of the branch. Find a suitable branch. Cut a reverse notch on it. In this way, the two branches are perfectly combined. Wrap plastic film. Very high survival rate. Put a bucket of water next to the fruit tree. Drought resistant in summer. Prepare a cotton rope. You put little rocks in the bucket. The other side is tied under the tree. So the water in the bucket, it will slowly penetrate along the cotton rope to the bottom of the tree. You no longer have to worry about fruit trees running out of water in summer. Cut off part of the beans first. Dig a hole in the middle. Put the branches that need to be cut on the potatoes slowly into the dug pit. Then fill it with soft nutrient soil. Pour fixed root water. Keep the land moist later. Take root like this. High survival rate. A stout branch first peels off the bark and cambium. Peel off part of the branches of the prepared potatoes first. Stick on potatoes, slowly into the dug pit. Then fill it with soft nutrient soil. Pour fixed root water. Take root like this. High survival rate. Fruit tree grafting is that simple. Find a sturdy sapling first. Cut flat in place. Place grafted scissors on the sapling. Pinch it first and a section will come out. Cut a branch from another fruit tree. Pinch out another section. Butt together. Very good fit. Wrap it in plastic. Then it's reinforced with black tape. Plastic bag on top. Very high survival rate. Make some drainage holes at the bottom of the foam box. Then put in breathable fine sand. Insert the prepared cuttings into the fine sand. Spray fine sand with a watering can for the first time. Plastic film with ventilation holes on the lid of the box. Put it in a ventilated astigmatism place for maintenance. Keep the fine sand moist later. Soon the cuttings can take root and sprout. A cotton rope with small stones tied at both ends. Bring a bucket of water and put it next to the fruit tree. Put one end of the cotton rope in the bucket. Put the other end next to the tree. In this way, the water in the bucket will slowly pass through the cotton rope, penetrate into the soil. Don't worry about fruit trees dying from lack of water for 10 days and a half months. Prepare a strong branch. Peel off the skin and camouflage at the bottom. Stick branches on potatoes. Dig a hole and put the banana peel into the hole first. Put branches. Fill it with soft, nutritious soil. Slowly pour fixed root water. The branches in this way can take root quickly. Harvest of sweet potatoes. Planting skills. First, open a ditch of 5 centimeters. Plant sweet potato seedlings, flat and shallow. The seedling head faces south and knots a basket. The seedlings head towards the north and form a pile, covered with wet soil. Leave 2 leaves on the head and 1 heart. The height is about 3 centimeters. In this way, the sweet potatoes are arranged in strings.